If your Facebook account has been disabled, don't panic. In many cases, you can request a review and recover your account if the suspension was made by mistake. In this tutorial, I'll show you the steps you should follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Try logging into your account. Open Facebook and sign in using your email address or phone number and password. If your account has been disabled, Facebook will usually display a message explaining that the account is unavailable and may provide an option to request a review. Step 2. Submit an appeal. If you see the option to appeal the decision, click it and follow the instructions on the screen. You may be asked to confirm your identity, provide additional information, or explain why you believe your account was disabled by mistake. Be honest and provide accurate information. Step 3. Verify your identity. In some cases, Facebook may ask you to upload a government-issued photo ID. Make sure the information on your ID matches the name on your Facebook account to help speed up the verification process. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your appeal, monitor the email address associated with your Facebook account. Facebook may contact you if they need more information or to let you know whether your account has been restored. Be patient, as the review process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Step 5. Avoid multiple appeals. If you've already submitted an appeal, avoid sending multiple requests. Submitting the same appeal repeatedly won't speed up the process and may even delay Facebook's review. If Facebook determines that your account was disabled by mistake, your access will be restored automatically. However, if the account was permanently disabled for violating Facebook's community standards, it may not be possible to recover it. And that's it. Now you know how to recover a disabled Facebook account in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Facebook tutorials.